Today I'm doing a few little decorative modifications to my 2025 Road Glide. This is Advanblack Saddlebag liners, black on black. Pretty nice looking. And we also have some knobs in purple, of course. Saddlebag knobs. And this is a seat bolt. Clean out this saddlebag here with alcohol, and we'll start putting down Velcro. I'll get back with you in just a second. First one's done. On to the next one. All right, I'm taking these clips off here. I'm putting on new ones. All right, finally, all in there. These are the purple Axion security knobs. Pretty sharp looking. All right, we're all done. Got my last plate on. Jett's coming along. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.